Hello everyone, we're just busy up and about. I got some energy, lots of energy. Okay, I'm going to show you what's happening in the kitchen, what we're busy with. Okay, we are busy with it. We turn the camera. Koesisters. There is it. Everything done. It's the last bit. Take it out. And this is for visitors coming here to come visit me. It is kafties. As I said, I don't know how to make small ones. Kafties. And then on the other side, I have this is my lunch. I'm gonna have this with a nice salad. I use these very hot chilies and the maple syrup for I'm making pumpkin breedy, pampoenkos, and I'm busy recording. Here's my setup, and the meat is braising away. Got a fantastic color, but that's for another video. Okay, Opa's making his chair, painting. Opa made this from scratch. Look at that. So it's going to be all red, Opa?
All red.
Okay. Okay, and here's Butahima is coming to eat lunch. His favorite is Dhal. There inside, my baby, go eat. Okay, and here's the garden piece, but it needs water. I want to water it now. Guys, so this is part of the vlog. We're making, we're gonna make jelly filled snowballs, and that's, we bake it today and we fill it tomorrow. So that's finished, and Shelly helped me. And we also made today dal with the perfect cooked egg, basmati rice, and sly. I'm gonna show you now. We dished up. Okay. There it is. Lunch and supper. Lekker dal with rice and eggy weggy. Look at that. Yummy in my tummy, man. Okay, that's my bitchy. Gonna eat now. And then Shelly's gonna eat now. She likes mayonnaise.
You don't buy cook anymore.
Dal. Lekker. Bismillah. In fact? See ya?
Oh.
I don't know. I don't know when last I had dal. It's lekker. There's no meat in here, guys. I threw in just a little chicken stock. Fried the onions with a little olive oil. Lots of spices, aromatics, lots of ginger and garlic. Lekker, Shelly?
Yes.
Oh, I needed to eat there. I was feeling tasting. Oh, I must go. Guys, we're gonna go now. We're gonna eat, finish, and Ha just calling me now. So, love you guys. Bye.
That's dangerous stories.
Your favorite dal?
My favorite. En is lekker gemaakt. Oh.
Shelly, say bye to the people. Bye. Lekker, ne?
Die spices wat het so lekker maak.
Oh. En daar's niks vlees in nie.
No. It's just
No.
kyk.
Wat is hy woord? Karada.
Karada. Karada.